what good are rules, even if we break them maybe 2 to 3 times a year. You know, there's nothing worse to me personally than taking a loss in the market that can wipe out weeks or maybe even months of trading. You feel like the last several weeks or months got simply flushed down the toilet. You know, you spend day in, day out grinding out wins, grinding out trades, only to have everything, you know, be wiped out. It can be mentally demoralizing and very hard to get your mind back on reset. You know, it's the financial part of the loss that hurts the most, but the mental and emotional part can be just as bad, because if you're not trading with a free and clear mind, you may as well go home. That's how even some great traders can get caught up in a vicious cycle. Once the losses start, they almost don't know how to get themselves out of it. That's why I think it's so important to try to stick to your rules and limit your losses. You know, one of the great benefits of being a trader is that we're our own boss. We work from home, and for the most part, we answer to nobody. It's really everybody's dream job. But you know, on the flip side, there's nobody there to hold us accountable. So let's say we all were to work for a company. It doesn't matter whether it's big or small. And 2 to 3 times a year, we bend the rules. Or 2 to 3 times a year, we just make that same mistake over and over again. And we cost this company tens of thousands or possibly hundreds of thousands of dollars. What would that company say to you? You know, most likely you'd be out of a job. That's why it's so important. Most likely you'd be, as self-employed individuals, traders, we hold ourselves accountable for our actions. Now, as a trader, I realize the most important thing I can do on a daily basis is preserve my capital. Taking excessive risk, taking on marginal trades, or adding to losing trades is an easy way for losses to add up. You know, sometimes as traders, we're always focusing on the next big setup. How much are we going to make on VERI? How much are we going to make on this? How much did I make last week or last month? But how often we focus on what we're doing poorly? How often we focus on our losses? You know, I think our losses can be a great tool to help us create some rules. I think our losses, you know, can help us study and say, hey, this is what I don't want to do again. This is what I don't want to do in the future. You know, the thing about trading, it's a very tough profession. I think the stats are something like 90 to 95% of traders fail. And why do they fail? They don't fail because of a lack of winning setups or lack of wins. They fail because of their losses. They fail because they just take too many losses too frequently, or just that one big loss. I mean, that's the thing. In the market, one loss can wipe you out and end your career. That's where a good set of rules can either make you or break you for the long haul. Now, trading can be a difficult profession. For that, we sit in front of our computers all day long, and we feel unproductive if we're not always in a trade or pushing buttons. You know, we follow traders on Twitter who tweet a new idea or ticker every 35 seconds, and we say, hey, that guy trades 80 to 90 tickers a day. I need to do the same thing. No, I think that's BS. I think you should not do the same thing. I think you need to stick with your high probability setups, the setups you know you're going to be profitable on. I'd say at least 75, 80, hopefully 90% of the time. Now, sometimes it can be hard to sit on your hands and be patient, wait for those setups. But why chase subpar setups? You know, why chase boredom trades? Why put good money after bad? Now, how many of us here of traders have followed a chat room, a Twitter, or a friend into an idea that we knew was not a high probability setup for our own trading style? Now, we all have different trading styles here. What works for you may not work for me. Personally, I'm a terrible long bias trader. If and when I ever do go long, I take profits extremely fast, knowing that a lot of times profits can just get away from me pretty quick. I don't have the patience nor the conviction, you know, to hold them. That's why month after month, year after year, I personally get more strict about the trades that I place. I probably place half the amount of trades I did maybe just 5 years ago, but I make way more money. Why? Because I trade the high probability setups that I know I'm going to be profitable on 80 to 90% of the time. I like to use size with those trades, and I have very strict rules when it comes to cutting losses. Now, I'm sure most of us as traders have rules, or at least we should. How many of us use stops? I mean, stops are a must. I mean, we all have to use stops. Now, I personally rarely use hard stops, but I have mental stops on every position that I take. Basically, if something's breaking support or resistance, I usually just exit that trade. And I think most of us here need to have a mental idea in our head of where we're going to exit a trade based on where it goes against us. How many of us here have ever been in a losing trade and we're down something small, maybe $5,000, and we think, I'm not going to cut it. You know, I feel like this is going to be a winner, and we add to that trade. An hour later, we're down $20,000 to $30,000, and we think, wow, it's hard to, I can't cut it now. We hold it till the afternoon. Maybe tomorrow it gaps up, we're down $70, $80, $100,000, and we think, what the heck just happened? I mean, I could have cut that loss yesterday for 3, 4, 5 grand. Now I've given up 10, maybe 20% of my year just by being stubborn. Think about how much more money we could make at the end of the year if we just stick to some simple rules and cut our losses at an appropriate place. Now, for me personally, I very rarely enter a trade, unless it's with starter size, something really small, unless I know I'm going to be in the money immediately. You know, I asked the question, why would you ever enter a trade knowing it's going to go against you? And you say, well, I'll just add higher. I mean, why would you ever want to do that? You know, I personally like to be right on my first entry, and if I'm not, I cut it and I look for a re-entry. You know, the last thing I want to do, again, is be stubborn.
What's good? What's going on? Good morning, Chris.
Add the losers, and before you know it, you get
good morning.
20, maybe 30% of your year on any particular setup.
I'm waking up late, bro.
I see so many traders that can consistently make money.
I couldn't get off XDefiant last night, man. That shit was fun.
At the end of the year, realized they were stubborn on 3 to 4 tickers, and they gave up, you know, maybe 20 to 30% of the year.
No, I'm not going to sleep around like 7, 8.
Now let's talk about being stubborn for a minute.
Yesterday, I didn't get out this bitch about 10. I didn't sleep till about 11. I'm tired.
Or has the research we've
But
done on any particular
I couldn't get off the damn
so
game, bro. I had too much fun.
biased that we think the market is wrong and we are right? Or did we possibly take on too much size overnight on a low float stock that's opened dramatically against us? You know, there's numerous reasons we take losses in the market, and a majority of them are our fault. I mean, sure, there can be unexpected news or events, but at the end of the day, I think it's our stubbornness that leads to some of our biggest losses. Now, I personally have a lot of rules in my trading. I've already went over a couple of them. Most of them are just ingrained in my head. I know I'm just like walking, talking, eating, and sleeping. I don't even have to think about it. But I'll go over a quick, you know, a couple of my top rules again real quick. I like to trade the best setups out there. So, setups that I know I'm going to be profitable.
This is the trade from yesterday.
Of the time. And I like to use size with those.
Right over
here. I
here.
ask a question. If you see a setup and you say, hey,
all right, let's see.
9 out of 10 times I'm going to make money on this setup, why would you not want to put big money in that trade? Why would you not want to? I think the risk reward is definitely on your side there. I think, you know, for me personally, the big money's and the big wins. I'm not going to get rid of scalping. It's just not for me. And I
got this weekly level right over here.
Trades because I just don't play them. You know, if the setup's not there, I sit on my hands. If not, I'll just leave them.
In this weekly range, just clean it up when I do the time frame.
Never add to losing trades. You know, there's a reason the trade is going against you. You're wrong. That's all there is to say. You need to exit that trade and look for re-entry. And third, take profits on winning trades. You know, I always scale out of positions. Let's say I'm short 50,000 shares of a position and it's reached maybe 70% of my target.
Got these 4-hour levels right over here.
Right there. Always lock some in. Falls another 10, 15, 20 cents. Take another 10, 15,000 shares off. Whatever. You know, if you had a big loss last week, don't ever revenge trade. You know, you really have to have a free and clear mind to trade the markets. The biggest one of all, lastly, is cut losses, cut losses, cut losses. I think as traders, if we can create a good list of rules with strict stop loss management, I think at the end of the day we can become more profitable traders.
I found that nothing.
Enter a prompt here. Okay, it can't be that hard. How about generate an image of a cat playing guitar?
Is that how it works? Am I doing AI?
Yeah, it just does whatever you type.
What a last minute gift ideas you can.
All right, so the daily is still bullish.
Plan a workout routine to get bigger calves.
Help me think of titles.
Let's get my trend bias in here.
What's something smart I can say about Renoir?
Generate another image of a cat playing guitar.
If a girl calls me a snack, how do I reply?
Yeah, that's how it works. You're doing AI.
Make this email sound more professional before I hit send.
What's a good excuse to cancel dinner with my friends?
Daily bullish 4 hour.
Sitting right here.
No wrong way to prompt.
Okay, daily bullish as long as we maintain this high low structure right over here. On the 4 hour, we bearish breaking all these lows to the left hand side. We just in the correction phase. 4 hours bearish. I jump to the 1 hour. The 1 hour is bearish too overall, but we in bullish retracement.
Unlock the world's largest, most liquid financial market with Forex.
So right, 1 hour is bearish as long as we maintain this level right over here.
For another. It's a big deal with a daily turnover of $7.5 trillion. Forex markets are super liquid. ever-changing and available 24/5. That means one thing: potential trading opportunities. Discover these potential opportunities.
We go bullish on the 1 hour right over
Forex.com.
here.
Explore 80+ FX
So
pairs and
note
act
that.
decisively with leading platforms, exceptional execution, and low costs. Build your knowledge with comprehensive educational tools, videos, and webinars. Open a free demo account and learn the ropes in a
bullish
risk-free
retracement.
environment. Take advantage of expert analysis, live commentary, and elite charting. Experience the pinnacle of Forex trading with the #1 broker in the U.S. today.
Alright, this is the bullish retracement right over here. So bad I wanna shoot like who around with the coop. I got what you want and nothing but yeah. Just the overall range we're in. It's a big range. Still haven't quite filled the range to the upside yet, so we still have to continue up. See what the 30-minute got for me. 30-minute is bullish. We created higher highs and higher lows on 30-minute time frame. As long as we maintain this higher low structure right over here, we should continue up to the upside. We'll continue up bullish. So I'm gonna say 30 minutes still bullish. Minute bullish. We consolidate right over here though. So this is a consolidation range. These are my two major levels. Above this major level, we got this major level right up here. We got the level right over here. The downside, below this level, we have choppy range to trade down here. Now we got this minor level right over here for risky buys. Risky buys above this level right here. Reason why it's risky, because we overall can turn it up, what makes the buys valid, breaking highs to the left hand side. But what makes it risky is we'll be buying.
I think I'm in love.
We'll be buying right into resistance for potential reversal right over here. That's the problem with this buy. We're buying right at a level of resistance. So the higher probable setup will be, or the bigger move will be buying above it. That way I have a bigger range to trade in.
Got it solid, it's my kitchen. Middle finger to these bitches up, cause I'ma do it my way. Shit just like the flu, ayy. Shawty said she loved me, I told her who are you, ayy. I ain't with that lame shit since I took out your brain, bitch. All these niggas talking, fuck about what they saying. GTA on wasted, lately I've been anxious. I'm so done with this fake shit, I'm so done with you. I'm so exhausted. I'ma roll another blunt, getting lost, I'm never found. Guess I'm never good enough for these bitches in my town. I don't really give a fuck, I'm a king like with my crown. Can't think about them all, cause it all gon' hold me down. I done made it through the storm, I ain't talking NBA. Mama knew I'd be a star, mama look what I became. I got Von up on the phone, said he touchdown in LA. I'ma get it how I get it, I ain't changing for the fame. But I put it on my name.
The yellow zones are my minor levels. I'm gonna say we bearish on the 15-minute though. Alright, there you go. Got all my trend bites to put out. Daily bullish, 4-hour bearish, 1-hour bearish, 30-minute bullish, 50-minute bearish. So we got 1, 2 bullishes, and 1, 2, 3 bearishes. So, making sales over here sounds good. Alright, let's get into what's going on right over here. We had okay, price pushed up, created higher highs, gave me a pullback, created some equal highs, and then price started to slow down in the bullish momentum, right? When we have slow down in bullish momentum, price likes to line up for a reversal. So here, we broke these lows to the left hand side with this push down right over here. Broke all of these lows. Boom. Having a pullback, creating a lower high structure, and then we're coming down to re-break lows right over here. Right? Only problem with selling at the re-break of these lows is I'll be selling right into this level of support. This is a minor level of support. If you look at capture this body right here, this body right over here, with this body right over here. So if I want to sell below this level of support. I don't want to sell right into it because price could just definitely fill the range to the downside and then go back bullish like that. So if I want to take a sell position, I don't want to take a sell position within this overall consolidation range. I want to be out of it. Sells make more sense to me. If I do take sales, let's go back to 30-minute. I have a minor level right over here. Clean traffic to fill this range to the downside right over here. Also, I can't ignore this level. It's price struggle to break this over here. Capturing this body. Capturing this body. These bodies. So this could definitely be a trail stops to break even point over here. If I end up taking sales, 100% trail stops to break even right over here. Just because everything below this becomes choppy. So they tell me now if you be really trying to start. Tired of this shit, yeah. Finna flood my wrist, yeah. I'm writing all these hits, but I wonder what I'm missing. I can never call you my. And that'll be 26 pips in profit. Probably less than next. I'll probably enter off a closure, a couple already in profit. So about 16 pips in profit. Or besides a break even. Then other than that, looking left, other than this level right over here, looking left, we got a range to trade for a 75 pip range for the sell side. Alright, so that's my analysis. Any questions, comments, or concerns?
thousands of times. I retype like thousands of lines. We done did this thousands of times, so I ain't tryna choose another time. Shawty, tell me now if you be really tryna stop. Said I'm tired of all the acting and the bullshit. Girl, hit me back or I'll be back with a new bitch. You know they trash, but you recycling the same dick. Girl, you stay shameless, bringing up they fucking names, bitch. I can't put my pride to the side this time.
Let's go over DJ.
Up, I'm just trying to make you mine. But if you wanna pay me for my tickets, that's fine. All you gotta do is not reply. I can't wear no heart up on my sleeve, cause it's summer, baby. Only rock basic white tees, try and break a milli. I got women lined up on the silly to get faded with me. Begging just as freaky in the sheets, try and get naked for me. Yeah. I got so much drink in me, wonder if you missing me. These days I can't fucking sleep, it's bad, I'm out here living dreams. If I send this text of mine, shawty, is you down to start? Don't say not tonight, cause you be busy, tell another lie.
DJ just flying, bro. I don't even want to touch this shit, I ain't gonna lie. I need some structure to form with DJ. I'm not even gonna give myself a headache with this. Let's check that swing position I was holding. Oh, I remember, we got broken even. The swing position I had, trying to hold on AU all the way up here, ended up coming to my first target over here. Press some drawdown first, got to bounce at this level. Okay, my first target over here, and I got broken even. That was just, I got broken even the same time I took the gold sales. I mean, the same time gold did that pullback, this pullback right over here. Let's see, this was 10 o'clock. I think this was the same bush. Yeah, 10 o'clock. Let's look at NASDAQ. Got a major daily level right over here. Check out to the 4 hour. We're putting higher highs and higher lows. Overall, we got equal highs to the left hand side, right over here. Playing within this 4 hour range. Alright, check out to the 1 hour. Breaking below these lows down here on NASDAQ, we have potential to continue down. The range to the left hand side is pretty clean. We just have to worry about this minor level right over here. Other than that minor level, we have another minor level right over here.
Think you don't have time for an accounting degree? Think WGU. Built for working adults, our fully online programs let you earn a degree on your time. Learn more at wgu.edu.
That's it, man. Only thing look promising is gold, to be honest. Nasdaq look cool, but not during London session. This is what we gonna wait for over here.
It started season. I need my chairman, he always gonna remind. I had to bust out some rocks for the one time. Think I'm flexing, I only do sometimes. I need to be gas on my wrist like it's lunchtime. I had to bust out some racks. Show me they fake so I can't get attached. I'm a Carolina boy, now we up on the map. But it's Hershey, a fan, I won't get on my lap. No, I'm the kid, it's just hop on the spaz on the track, never lying, they know that's a fact. I had to bust out some racks to go on my line, but I never be here in the back. Bust on the road, but I got back on track. They be switching, I'm knowing the cap. I got back up, so no, I won't scrap. Can put us on safe, do we pop like a strap. About to blow it, they hate it. About to chill, cause these girls overrated. They say that I'm flowing, they put me on playlists. I be rocking off white like I'm racist. I do what I want with my life with the matrix. Be too deep in my thoughts, I be jaded. Forget your opinion, don't need to be graded. I put in that work, they see, but I waited. Gotta hop in the store and go make a song. About to blow so they know we can make a bond. She be looking so bad without makeup on. By the hell, it's his wife, call me Genghis Khan. Need my check, man, he always gon' run it. Brody capping this rap, he ain't done it. I can miss you, I'm chasing this money. You work for a goal and they start acting funny. Whenever chase, I'm always with my dogs. Yeah, we get hanging for vibes enough. I be rhyming all the time, taking off. RPX, I be tripping like boss. Yeah, we be chucked to these people get loud. She a baddie from Apex, she liking my style. We need me a show to go light in the crowd. We be turning up lately, so what's going down? I need my check, man, he always gon' remind. I had to bust out some raps for the one time. Like I'm flexing, I only do sometimes. I need to be gas on my wrist like it's lunchtime. I had to bust out some racks. Show me they fake, so I can't get attached. I'm a Carolina boy, now we up on the map. But it's Hershey, a fan, I won't get on my lap. No, I'm the kid, it's just hop on the spaz on the track, never lying, they know that's a fact. I had to bust some racks to go on my line, but I never be here in the back. Bust on the road, but I got back on track. They be switching, I'm knowing the cap. I got back up so no, I won't scrap. Can put us on safe, do we pop like a strap. So many thoughts I can't fit on the page. Fucking this shit, I'ma shit off the brain. She said she like how I put it together. I been ever so I step out like a plane. Yeah, we hit the block in the channel. I keep the door, take my body stain. I'm just trying to see more Hondas. Jump out the porch, get it anyway. Like that from my father, he went federal. They had him saying he ain't had no day for my body with ties. Miss some medicine, that be the only thing he's in the pain. Say more money, more problems, just kept on my mom. Cause that money be making a way. In life in the game, but I'm moving with caution. I work hard and go pick up deposits and go make a play and no positive. Gotta make sure everything fall in play like some polish. She looked me in my face and told me she yelling. I fucked her so good she can't walk out her crawling. Like somebody passed me the ball and I'm ballin'. She subbed me again, think her memory jogging. Yeah, watch out the fucking when DK gon' run up the rest while these niggas be jogging. I need my check, man, he always gon' remind. I had to bust out some raps for the one time. Think I'm flexing, I only do sometimes. I need to be gas on my wrist like it's lunchtime. I had to bust out some racks. Show me they fake so I can't get attached. I'm a Carolina boy, now we up on the map. But it's Hershey, a fan, I won't get on my lap. No, I'm the kid, it's just hop on the spaz on the track, never lying, they know that's a fact. I had to bust out some racks to go on my line, but I never be here in the back. Bust on the road, but I got back on track. They be switching, I'm knowing the cap. I got back up so no, I won't scrap. Can put us on safe, do we pop like a strap. Pull up two door on my lover. Do what I want, I'ma do it forever. Yeah. I want it all, nothing less. I could do what he do, but I'm doing it better. Yeah. Mix match the chrome Marshall. I can say what I want, I don't fall for the drama. Nah. New girl, California. She be driving California. She want me like the vaccine. I made a check, didn't need no degree. I prove them all wrong, who didn't believe. Do it myself, I don't need no team. No kid, no scholar. Hey, made me go farther. You can say what you want, but I'm still unbothered. Go down, get back up. Do it all myself, don't need no backup. Back then, I cannot believe I called you a friend. Hit me up now, get left on red. Learn to forget, but don't forget. Think about the future, past is dead. Live my life with no regrets. Every day I go to sleep, wake up to a payday. See me going up, she yelling Mayday. I don't like you when I'm sober. Baby, it's all over. Wanna hop inside the road. Too fine, you belong in the spotlight. Go out every night is a highlight. Dark times right now, you a sunshine. I changed my life when I got rid of problems. I changed my life when I added a comma. Flying to Vegas to meet at a conference. I'll take a risk and I'm confident. I'll face my fear and I'll conquer it. Don't get impressed by a compliment. I'm more impressed from all my accomplishments. More than my diploma. They gon' get sick of me just like Corona. I don't give a fuck, that's my persona.
Hate this, I love it.
They all in the front, they show me love. Them bitches, they bought they friends.
If this 15-minute could close above, this 15-minute could close above, the next 15-minute close below, breaking this low right off here, which would be also the 30-minute close. That'll be nice as fuck to take sales. Hold on quick, bro. I gotta turn my camera off real quick.
I say yo bitch a party, call her fiesta. She wanna skirt off in back of the Tesla. Way too fast, I've been missing every rest stop. If we got a problem, sending niggas at your head top. We ain't in the same range, we ain't in the same game. Little nigga Paul Pierce tryna step to MJ. I ain't finna say no name, better stay up in your lane. I be sunning all these niggas, they don't wanna hear me play. I be winning every time, even with a head start. Niggas think they making hits, they ain't in the ballpark. They be trying to make it on, but they really fall hard. You ain't even in my zone, how you think that you a star? There's a real fine line between the confidence and cockiness. I promise that the difference lies how often they be talking it. Fuck around and do it, niggas swear that I be walking it. And they don't want no problems, but they acting like they starting it. They living the facade, always wanting what I got. Morgan Freeman, how they acting, always wanna play a part. I don't know if I'm a sign, like the Treaty of Versailles. At this point I've been at war with all these niggas. I say, yo bitch, a party, call a fiesta. She wanna skirt off in back of the Tesla. Way too fast, I've been missing every rest stop. If we got a problem, send the niggas at your head top. We ain't in the same range, we ain't in the same game. Little nigga Paul Pierce tryna step to MJ. I ain't finna say no name, better stay up in your lane. I've been sunning all these niggas, they don't wanna hear replay.
Yo, won't stop shooting till the whole thing's empty. Better take this L like MP or Zeki. Swinging my blade, don't tempt me. Farm blocks, late night, no entry. Sentry, porkies, all wanna arrest me. Yo, man get sort like Jezzy. 5 AM getting it for murder. No further, you got John, no wellies. Only got John, no wellies. No one to earn, so we can't see clear. Foot on the clutching to get. Wine on the window, they all disappear. The neighbours like, what happened here? Donny got shaved, but he still got hair. Big drip, little drip got tear. Got me with lurk, you be had big man scared.
Shotgun man, slap man, boot it. Tune man down, now it's Canada's ruined. Don't think we can sleep on the voyage. We came right back and they done 2 bootings. Chilling the same spot, what are you doing? They just don't learn like stupid students. Spot any ops, don't think, just do it. 100% Broski's gonna shoot it. Hop at the ride, he's dashing, catch him, beam man up and then vanish. Free Boogie B, well known savage. Pull up on them and of course they panic. Next day, me and Nabs went on alert. Didn't see nothing, just one little stranglers. This beef is frying, don't get caught lacking. Yo, too late, oh damn, he's capping.
I see Broski watching, catching, mopping. Hopped at the ride and chopped him. They get back, struck him. Everyone's flossing, gassed up, OT bopping. Machine gun shopping, shotgun locking. 2 hands bow and popping. My aunt needs to ask if I'm fine. A lot's on my mind, but the money ain't stopping.
Due to get long when corn starts flying. Bucket the A, don't expect kindness. Riding, I find it exciting. Knife it, somebody's dying. Pipe it, babe, stop piping. Cause it come down if I ride, he's riding. Bad beat, come to the nest for a piping. Leave it, a little bro swipe it.
Without, that's my big pal. He's on violence, he don't make no sound. Spin the whip, give a fuck by the crowd. If you chill with the odds, you ain't making me proud. Bro, what's wrong with this child? He got his time to still runs his mouth. Cause he comes to the ends, if broski's riding, then I'm riding, no doubt. I got hella length things from south, just brought their back and open mouth. Me bando, I don't chase no clout, I just hit the up, he smoke it and I'm out. My broski got knit like how, just wish him the best when they take it to chow. My broski got knit like how, just wish him the best when they take it to chow. I see broski watching, catching, mopping, hopped at the ride and chopped him. They get back, struck him, everyone's flossing, gassed up, OT bopping. Machine gun shopping, shotgun locking, 2 hands bow and popping. My aunt needs to ask if I'm fine, a lot's on my mind, but the money ain't stopping.
Due to get long when corn starts flying. Bucket the A, don't expect kindness. Riding, I find it exciting. Knife it, somebody's dying. Pipe it, babe, stop piping. Cause it come down if I ride, he's riding. Bad beat, come to the nest for a piping. Leave it, a little bro swipe it. Riding, tap it, this shit's fantastic. Hey broski, pass me the dot. Watchman, hops, got trip, get cabbage. Don't think we got shotties and daggers. Hammers, pull up and ops in it dashing. Head to the blocker, just on the mad team, sad team. Done up a youth, no manners. Feel too specific, forget what happened. Angle arms, I swing it. Dip it, rip it, twist it, kill it. Everyone's bad till bro starts chinging. Gunshot, holy, you in existence. We caught one, he left his misses. Pull up on my block, his scripts we're flipping. 3 doors, pop shotgun, get lifted. If you caught him, you'd see him on pitch.
I see broski watching, catching, mopping. Hopped at the ride and chopped him. They get back, struck him. Everyone's flossing, gassed up, OT bopping. Machine gun shopping, shotgun locking. 2 hands bow and popping. My aunt needs to ask if I'm fine. A lot's on my mind, but the money ain't stopping.
Due to get long when corn starts flying. Bucket the A, don't expect kindness. Riding, I find it exciting. Knife it, somebody's dying. Pipe it, babe, stop piping. Cause it come down if I ride, he's riding. Bad beat, come to the nest for a piping. Leave it, a little bro swipe.
Yeah, best believe if we got smoke, you know it's up. Nowadays my niggas pushing Balenciaga, yeah, the truck. If you boys really want drama, I'ma tell they ass pull up. I don't fuck with many niggas, so I keep the hammer tucked. I just really want the bucks. I don't need to say too much. much. My guns are thotty, it's a slut, yeah, slut. Cause it's gon' blow you till it's dust, yeah, dust. I just really want the bucks. I don't need to say too much, much. My guns are thotty, it's a slut, yeah, slut. Cause it's gon' blow you till it's dust, yeah, dust. Yeah, I call a Uber if I drink too much. Hit these niggas with a Ruger, I don't play too much. My mama told me since a kid don't let them play with ya. Came in this game with my niggas and they hating us. Whoa, I got the juices like I'm high C. And shout out Brian, that's my nigga, that boy Bryce C. I need a meal, I might just do it, call me Nike. These boys my son, I know they wanna be just like me. I just really want the bucks. I don't need to say too much, much. My guns are thotty, it's a slut, yeah, slut. Cause it's gon' blow you till it's dust, yeah, dust. I just really want the bucks. I don't need to say too much, much. My guns are thotty, it's a slut, yeah, slut. Cause it's gon' blow you till it's dust, yeah, dust. Bitch, you know it blow you up. Yeah.
Best believe if we got smoke, you know what's up. Nowadays, my niggas pushing Bentiaga, yeah, the truck. If you boys really want drama, I'ma tell they ass pull up. I don't fuck with many niggas, so I keep the hammer tucked. I just really want the bucks. I don't need to say too much, much. My guns are thotty, it's a slut, yeah, slut. Cause it's gon' blow you till it's dust, yeah, dust. I just really want the bucks.
Lost it all, I look back at all the memories. Miss you most, without you I have no energy. Can't control all my thoughts, they eat away at me. I can't run. Lost it all, I look back at all the memories. Miss you most, without you I have no energy. Can't control all my thoughts, they eat away at me. I can't run. I'm cold, so much has been untold. Let the story unfold, I don't wanna fall down again. I'm through, I don't wanna hurt you. Can you tell me the truth? I can't do this all.
Got 3 minutes to the 30-minute close. So far, I'm looking so far I'm good to take these sales, man. So far, we are looking good.
You can find me in the lost and found. Please just stay away. You're the only thing I care about. Lost it all, I look back at all the memories.
Did the 15-minute close above? Yes, we did.
Can't control all my thoughts, they eat away at me. I can't run. Lost it all.
I think I'm gonna take an impulse entry here. I lost above this candle. 50 pips stop loss. Close half right over here. Waiting for this 30 minutes to close in the next. Yeah, I think about closing. I think about taking this impulse entry right over here. Not in yet, though. You're gonna see when I take it. Oh shit.
Cause you are my life. Pushing through it all till I reach reach the sky. Running circles in my head, I get scared, I'm about to lose it all. Lost a piece of me, I don't know, the fame could make me old. I feel all alone, all my fears are going to control.
Damn, taking off without me, bro. I don't want to enter right here. I didn't want to enter right here with spread. We can put me in down here. I wanted to get a little pullback first, then enter on the pullback. So it can put me in like right here. But it look like it's taking off without me, bro. Fuck. The impulse that should have been nice as fuck. I guess we'll take a top wick entry if the next if 30-minute candle opens, start to push up. We'll take an entry right over here as it pushes up on that top wick, and then as it flips, we'll be getting a profit and starts to break even right over here.
I ain't feeling good, but you know it already. Then I with my bitch and she said she already. And the fans on me to win, so I know we already. Lord, give me mercy already. Show what the show, man, it's been too many. L at the L, man, I guess I had plenty. When I was at my lowest, it was popping no confetti.
Either that or I take the sell at the break of this low. If I take the sell at the break of this low, I won't put myself to break even right here. This is too tight. I'll just wait till we come like.
So yeah, I had to keep it up. But I ain't gonna lie, sometimes I've been feeling stuck. You ever felt so down that you don't believe in love? But I can't this far, so why would I ain't feeling good? But you know it already. Then I with my bitch and she said she already. And the fans on me to win, so I know we already. Lord, give me mercy already. Show what the show, man, it's been too many. L at the L, man, I guess I had plenty. When I was at my lowest, it was popping no confetti. And I don't wanna talk it, all this shit get too heavy. And this my life, yeah, you know I'm mad. Gotta take what's mine, don't put you in last. Gotta clear my eyes, had to get out the gas. And before this COVID shit, yeah, we put on masks. But I know one thing is for sure, I gotta get these racks up. And they gon' snake you for your cash, gotta keep it stashed up. And always stay one step ahead, never let them catch up. I remember days they were 10 plays, man, I'm tryna go platinum. I little baby said, I don't do no drugs no more. I've been catching flights.
Are we pulling back right here on the 15-minute time frame?
Got a fish, she's always one more. Made one call, get to clapping, they should know you feeling good, but you know it already. Then I with my bitch and she said she already. And the fans on me to win, so I know we already.
I want a deeper pullback though. I want to pull back to like right here.
Fuck around, hate them bitches, suckers know I'm ballin'. But I been moving all them fast, you know he hollin'. Bitch, that when I'm walking, extra steady calling. My new bitch, Jeremy, know he fuck until the morning. They be saying that's my brother, way a lot, now it's down, I ain't convinced. Know they riding on the dick, cause I'm popping like a bitch. Ain't had nobody, I was dolly every day, I reminisce. I had to do something to get rich, this shit go quick, we hit a switch. Had to get to it, man, that makes it not nothing. Know that pussy wet it drippin', that shit bustin'. How you gon' fuck with me, you pop out of the sudden. Fuck 'em, I can't trust them, love me all of a sudden. Leave me alone, I'm fucking tired of this shit, just let me be. And I can love no bitch, but she know I'm a boss. For these bitches tryna act like I feel something, but they ain't shit nothing. Shit, if I like what you gon' already run it down, run it up. All you suckers faking love, I'm kinda done, had enough. Now they hear love, I'll name it about time, run it up. And I'm a fucking ticking time bomb, we gon' fuck it up. That shit, all of them suckers know I'm ballin'. Me and my my butters moving past you, we you hauling. Baby, take off my mirror jeans, I'm talking. Fucking to the morning, baby, know I'm dog. They be saying that's my brother, way allowed, and now it's down, I ain't convinced. Know they riding on the dick, cause the road popping like a
bro, we almost got it, bro.
every day, I reminisce. I had to do something to get rich, this shit go quick, we hit a switch. Had to get to it, man, that makes a night of nothing. Know that pussy wet it dripping, that shit bustin'. How you gon' fuck with me, you pop out of the sudden.
Almost had the fucking entry, bro. It would have been so sniper, too. Holy fuck. I really want to end it as we retest this wick right here.
You know, less hit than a queen. You ain't really fuck with me until I blow in my head. And suckers hope y'all know I hear you. Sitting on West and doing shit, how I'm gon' feel you. Got his money with a new bitch to my left, to my right. Talking down, we come around and watch you flinch. They be saying that's my brother, way allowed, and now it's down, I ain't convinced. Know they riding on the dick, cause the road popping like a bitch. Had nobody out dolly every day, I reminisce. I had to do something to get rich, this shit go quick, we hit a switch. Had to get to it, man, that makes a night of nothing. Know that pussy wet it dripping, that shit bustin'. How you gon' fuck with me, you pop out of the sudden. Fuck 'em, I can't trust it, love me all of a sudden.
Or should I just wait for the 4-hour close? Got a 4-hour close in 30 minutes. I should wait for the 4-hour close, right? That'll be the next 30-minute candle. And enter based off of that 4-hour close. Cause this 4-hour, cause I can enter right now and come down here. The 4-hour can reject this range. If it's 4-hour reject this range, we probably gonna continue back up. All right, we reflip bearish. I'm gonna sell, bro. Fuck it. All right, as you can see, I just got into sales over here on gold. The reason why I got into sales is we had this 15-minute close at. I just took this sell, right? The reason why I got into the sales, we had this 15-minute close of bullish, as it's creating a level of support right over here at this level. And right after we had this 15-minute close up to support, we had the next 15-minute candle respect the lows and respect the highs and re-break lows of that previous 15-minute candle. Also, us aligns with the current 30-minute close. I took my sell right over here. Stop loss above the 30-minute highs, because for the 3 candlesticks right here, we will respect the lows and breaking highs for each of these candlesticks. This is nothing but lower time frame trend. With that being said, I took my sell right over here. Stop loss above the previous 30-minute high to target this level of resistance, this level of support right over here. And on a 15-minute time frame, as we come into this level right over here, this is where I look to trail my stops to break even. We're gonna let the rest of the trade play out and see how we do, man. Or we just flip bearish coming into some profit. Let's see if we can break his own. See if we can break his own low. Right over here.
Send me your location. Never pulling up, and we going out of state. Talking about like turning up. Tell me what it do. Baby, gon' send me your bodies, let it do. Tell me where you at, me your location. Never pulling up, and we going out of state. Talking about like turning up. Tell me what it do. Baby, gon' send me your bodies, let it do. Tell me where you at, little baby. Pull up to the battle, shawty hop in the Mercedes. On this trending topic, I'm on top, I'm feeling wavy. Girl, you better stop it, no, you not gon' have my baby. Whoa, watch out for the odds, they tryna play me. Whoa, shawty, I'm inside, you can keep it on the low. Let us go for a ride. Tell me where you wanna go. Only here for the night. Let us shawty, yeah, you know that. I'll be by your side. Send me your location. Girl, I'm pulling up, girl, we going out of state. Talking about us turning up. Tell me what it do. Baby, gon' send me your bodies, let it do. Tell me where you at, me your location. Girl, I'm pulling up, girl, we going out of state. Talking about us turning up. Tell me what it do. Baby, gon' send me your bodies, let it do. Tell me where you at, me tell me slide. She got a new place. Yeah, she see that I'm ballin' like it's 2K. She a bad chick.
And that price broke its own low. If we flip bullish and break its own high again, I'll look to close half. So if we push back up here, I'll look to close half my position and draw down. This will be my risk management right over here.
Hey Ross, sauce it up. Rain, calling on my phone. Baby, yeah, leave me alone. Rain, calling on my phone. Baby, yeah, leave me alone. Whoa, no, fall again, no, motherfuckers tell me like, whoa, I guess they mad, yeah, they mad that they can't get a bag like me, no. Whoa, bitch, calling on my phone. Unknown number, I'ma leave that shit alone. She stone cold. Trust shit anymore. Yeah, I've been in my nose, but it'll catch up. Shawty let me on the road, but it'll get up. New York City lights lead me right back home. I'm just trying to find my purpose and my soul. Man, I just really want it back, but they left her. Body out, fucking bones, yeah, the pain hurts. Heart is right to the stone, yeah, my heart burns. What's the rise to big coast and my mind learns? Rain, calling on my phone. Baby, yeah, leave me alone. Rain, calling on my phone. Baby, yeah, leave me alone.
Alright, as you just see, we crossed my stops to break even point, sold about $70 in profit. With that being said, we're going to trail our stops to break even, managing our risks over here. And if we get broken even, we'll look for a scale in below this range. But this is a range that price could potentially reverse at or reject off of. So this candle flips, I want to be out of this trade. So we're going to set our stops at break even right over here. And let the rest of the trade run to see if we can come down, tapping into this level of support all the way down here.
Just for fun, got no stress, yeah, I know that I'm the one, yeah, no fun, yeah, poolside in the sun, yeah, one choice, new life, different city, different sights, took a lot to have bad thoughts, but I swear money feeling nice, live going crazy, I swear that house be amazing, yeah, these women be crazy, yeah, so ho, get the fuck up on my DMs, beat it, haters, I don't see them, chopper on me. I'm tryna be what I'm dreaming. Kept falling asleep, I ain't
how I know that I know you moving on, cause you tried it too. Found myself, ain't no finding you. All them nights I'm stuck in my bed. Now I'm really feeling like I wish I wasn't dead. I don't wanna fall when I feel like this. How I go give it all, just feel like this. Feelings don't move, I feel like the moon. And it's me, myself, and I, yeah. Took that private jet, said I'd be there in a blink, of an eye. From something from nothing to find that it's you for greatness. I had no patience, yeah. Couple of rounds on my plate, and there's no tomorrow. No tomorrow, no tomorrow. Sipping that solo with a fakeout, been solo. Gotta lay low to the payroll, say so. Like, are you here to stay, or are you just okay? My heart been tied up in knots. I'm pulling the trigger, I feel like a cop. I'm wrecking the figures to buy me a chop, and I'm chopping these bitches, they tell me to stop, yeah. Life ain't easy when you young, and we pop out just for fun. Got no stress, yeah, I know that I'm the one. Yeah, no fun, yeah, poolside in the sun, yeah. One choice, new life, different city, different size. Still got a lot to have bad thoughts, but I swear money feeling nice. Life going crazy, I swear that bad house be amazing. These women be crazy, so ho, get the fuck up on my DMs. Beat it, haters, I don't see them. Chopper on me, 40 clip, wipe your nose like Kleenex. Yeah, I'm tryna be what I'm dreaming. Can't fall asleep, I ain't eat yet. Oh, Let me sip on my tropical juice, and let me smoke this tropical weed. I got the maddest of flavors, don't think that this shit comes cheap. So bitch, don't moan, when I charge 15 for a D. Just a little nigga in his zone, grind hard, can't stay on these streets. Mishmash and I'm doing it all, dip splash and I'm getting in peak. I'm in the field all day, no time for these stupid neeks. Come, bitch, come my way, just watch how veteran speaks. Tooled up on the left for my prey, the Wiggins don't want me to eat. Man, the hood's all mad, I wish I could just make my pee, but these bitches on me, so you know I can't lack. The Jake boys really on my back, got me in and out of court, got me feeling a twat. And it's all my fault, cause I'm always getting caught like I'm better than that. The feds got like 10 of the gang, 3 R1, 3 Max, 3 Taz. Rest in peace with my brothers, RP Jets, RP T bands. I barely sweet one with a mean kickback. When I think about my bros, RP with my brothers, gorgeous thing, amazing round. Smiles when the pack came in, now we gotta break this down. In and out with the gorgeous thing, that was an amazing round. What you do with that shit? I didn't even make a sound. Couple draw outs came in, now we gotta take them out. Don't slip, come on niggas got it no doubt. Stay stocked up,
Alright, we got broken even here. That was the trade. It is what it is, bro.
Sit quick, we're in and we're out. If he's giving it up, then we're putting him down. Real trap nigga, I'm grabbing them packs and I push it around. If the line goes stiff, then I'm hitting the strip and I percolate town.
I got my entry right over here. It would have been better if I got this entry, but I feel like I still would have got broken even.
Why this bitch wanna grab on my jumper? I thought I was a one-hit wonder. Now she calling me a one-hit wonder. I hit that once and where I went, G, I wonder. Bro ain't social fucker.
What's good, Jay? Welcome to the stream, man.
These replies only gonna get blunter. Other side with some fantasy knives. Shit, you don't really wanna butt this cutter. I love going round on a gorgeous glide, trying to see a gorgeous number. My mum don't like how I play with knives. Well, I'm real sorry, mother. But I would have no joke, would take my life off, and I gotta stay with my argo. Stay with my argo. Stay with my argo. Smiles when the pack came in. Now we gotta break this down. In and out with the gorgeous thing. That was an amazing round.
What's up, man? Welcome to the stream. I think it's the first time. This your first time here? I don't think I've seen your name before.
Don't slip, don't slip. Come on, niggas got it no doubt.
I'm gonna take my next trade based off of this 4-hour close though.
Bro said he got a move cool, show me the ins and outs. Said quick, we're in and we're out. If he's giving up.
Catch you running through hell, yes, I'm ready to go. I don't know where to tell you where.
Been here a couple times. Oh, I got you. Did you take that trade? I just got broken. I got broken even on it, bro. But that's the thing, bro. W for me sticking to the plan. I knew if it came back into this level, came down to this level right here, and we didn't break it and close below it, then we could potentially reject it. So once we tapped into this level is where I trailed my stops to break even, because I knew we had potential rejections after tapping into this area. So we tapped into this area, started to reject, close the trade, break even. Now wait for another setup. Right, I can't take a setup in this range anymore because the range was already filled. So because it was already filled, price could just continue going sideways like this because it's filled. If I take a sell below the range, I don't want to take a sell here. I was going to take a sell here because this was a nice little trade, 70, 80 pips, right? But now that all of that just get cut down to about 40 pips, this is about 70, 80 pips and clean traffic. This traffic is kind of clean. Got clean candle, then it gets choppy down here. So I was comfortable taking this. But below this, it gets choppy. So I don't feel comfortable taking a sell below here because we could be in the trade for a long ass time. And I don't want to be in the trade for a long ass time because it's choppy. So now I wait for a different entry type. The 4-hour close is here in the next 10 minutes. I've been holding sales from yesterday at 23.58 or 23.51. $23.58. Oh, you all the way up here? That's nice. Yeah, so you should be deep in profit. Definitely stops at break even at this point. Over 100 pips. Clean. The 4-hour close in the next 2 minutes. The 4-hour, I don't think what I wanted to do with the 4-hour candle. Close at 23.51. Also close at this level right over here. Nice. I've been waiting for this bearish momentum to come into the market for the longest. I'm not gonna lie. Let's look at the 1 minute strategy. Oh no, the 1 minute strategy don't even work because we're carrying no highs. If it was the other way around, the 1 minute strategy will work. So not that entry type either. If I would have got my first entry, I would still be in this trade, but I didn't get my first entry. My first entry was, I was looking right here. I would still be in the trade if I got my first entry, bro. Now it would have been almost up 1%. But I didn't get my first entry because I was doing something else on my computer. So I didn't get the entry. I ended up getting this entry down here. At the candle flip. So that means I had to have a bigger TP. Which was down here. If if I look at my first entry up here, where I was looking at, I'll be hitting TP1 right now. I'll be still in this trade coming up to TP1. So I would have been at break even. Just pushed up without him got me out. So I would have been at break even. That push up that just happened just now. When I got me out at break even, I would be still holding it straight.
She see that I'm on, already know that I'm paid. I've been a beast, I just got off the leash and I'm breaking right out of the cage. She wanna hop on the wave, told her to hop on my face. It's too late for that. The way you be acting now, need to find a place for that. Gave you a part of my heart, I wish I could take it back. Wish I could take it back, yeah. If we just facing facts, showing love is too late for that.
What do you think about the daily top wick? Let me see. I mean, the daily's still bullish overall. So what I think about the daily? This is what I think about the daily. I think the daily is bullish overall as long as we maintain this higher low structure right over here. But I think the daily could transition into bearish structure. The current daily candle though, the top wick is cool. For me, it's there. It's not a big top wick, but you gotta think about it. It's a daily candle. So it's not gonna always leave a big wick rejection. This pip is 25 pips. I mean, this wick is 25 pips. So on the lower time frames, it's a whole candle, probably 2 candles for the top wick. We carried the top wick first. The top wick respected the previous highs, and now we coming down to retest the lows down here. And on that is leaving a massive weekly wick. So leaving a nice weekly wick to potentially flip and break these weekly lows. Look at the previous weekly over here. We grabbed liquidity above these equal highs all over here, the relatively equal highs. Then we flipped bearish and broke the previous weekly low. So with that being said, I'd be anticipating that the weekly continue bearish. But in order, like this is bearish engulfing right here. But in order for the weekly to continue bearish, we gotta respect the previous weekly highs and continue to break these weekly lows. And with that being so, that means the daily has to drop down. This was that top wick here, and if we could continue all the way down, trading below this major level, then the weekly will be flipping and confluence with the lower time frame structure all going into bearish structure. The daily is just not bearish yet. The 4 hour is bearish as we broke these lows to the left hand side here. This is just a lower high. The 4 hour time. All these buys I was taking was counter trend trades. So the 4 hour is what bearish already. This is just a 4 hour pullback. The 1 hour was bullish as well, but we're bearish below here on the 1 hour. The 30-minute already went bearish as we broke these lows down here, which was the trade I just took, and the 15-minute was bearish as we broke these lows right over here and broke these lows right over here. Then we had a pullback. So overall, I'm bearish, bro. I'm not even worried about that daily top wick. It's a 25 pip wick, so it's not really a small wick. And we still rejecting this area right over here. So good thing I got stopped to break even after this, because still be rejecting it. And this is the 4 hour. We leaving the bottom wick for the 4 hour. Okay, so this is the trade idea I have now. I don't want to be in this fucking range though, bro. Like I actually don't want to trade inside this range. It's a 40 pip range, but I don't want to be in it because we got This is why I don't want to trade this range. Is the fact that we got this wick rejection, another wick rejection right here, rejection. These are all rejections, all in this area. Rejection. So I could just be another fucking wick in here for the bitch to continue up. But it's looking good for this 4-hour close, because if this 4 hours can close within the next 30 seconds within a range, right? That'll be the 30-minute close as well. Anticipate the next 30-minute candle push up to create a top wick over here and break the previous 4-hour lows. If we break the previous 4-hour lows, then it'll have potential to drop the next 4-hour candle down to fill the range. The problem with this 4-hour close right here, like it would be the same idea with this 4-hour close and then this candlestick to create a high and break the lows. Problem with it, this one is this closure was up here and this never broke the lows. In this case, this will be actually breaking the 4-hour lows. Like here, right? We had to close above the range right here on this 4-hour candle. The next 4-hour candle created a bottom wick first, then pushed up. I just pushed up, didn't quite break the highs, but we still closed within the range. This one didn't. Then we had another candlestick, respect the lows, and then break the highs. Once we break the first confirmation, this is my confirmation candle. Once we broke these highs up here, it was just GG's, and the price just flew up. But this all is happening within this range. And for now, this one, we got a 4-hour close inside the range. So if I could get a decent push up and then break the lows, I like those sales. But right now, if I take the sales off of this, there's nowhere to put my stop loss. If I have a decent push up, I have a stop loss to put. I have an area to put my stop loss. If I take these sales now, based off of this, breaking these lows right over here, my stop loss got to be all the way up here. I mean, it could still play out actually. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna take this.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and the YouTube Music app all together. 1 month free.
It look like the trade's going without me, to be honest, bro. Fucking bitch. Yeah, it's too deep in problem. I'm not taking it yet. Oh, we can pull back some more to get like right around back around this area. I'll look to take this. I'm gonna risk less on this position actually. I'm not gonna even risk 4%. I'm gonna risk 0.5% here. I'm gonna risk 0.5% here because we don't have no. This is the 1 hour open. This is the hour open, so I want to risk less. I only open in the top ring, so yeah, I don't want to be too aggressive here. So I'm gonna take some risk off the table. I'm not in yet though. Just waiting for it to come back to my entry because it start taking off without me.
Hi, it's New Jeans. Check out our new song "Cool with You" on the Pop Certified playlist right here on YouTube.
I want to get a better pullback. I'm gonna stop being greedy on the entry, bro. I want this top wick, bro. I really want this top wick right here. Like if I can get this top wick entry, that'll be nice. Then I can put salsa break even to break this low right over here. I'm hesitating, man. No cap, I'm hesitating. I just feel like we're gonna come back up here though. If I feel like we're gonna come back up here, I don't want to take the trade when I can get a better entry. Fuck it. Fuck it. It ain't giving me the entry, bruh, that I want. Look for something different. It's going. It look like it's going though. Hey, look, it's about being disciplined, bruh. I plan to take us off a steep top wick. We didn't get the steep top wick, even though it's still playing out, bruh. We still didn't get the steep top wick, so I'm cool with missing out on this trade. Cause ideally, bro, at the end of the day, I rather don't take a trade at all than to take a bad win or a win that wasn't with my plan. My plan was to wait for a steep top wick, then break the lows. Right, we had an okay top wick, then we broke the lows, then we had a pullback again as the body, and then re-broke the lows again. Right, but my plan was a steep top wick, so I'd rather just not take a trade at all than to take a bad win or a win that wasn't with my plan. Not necessarily against, but it wasn't with my plan to a T. I'm gonna actually move my face camera. I don't know why my face camera on the left side. It's actually stupid. Or this fucking bankroll. Got a 4.0 GPA on the road. Beating up and down the freeway, didn't pay a single toll. If you fuck with my money moves, I'll make it rush relevant. I'll make all of these niggas mad. They might scream and cry and vent. I might stack up 100 racks and buy me an elephant. I might send you another fact. Could you tell me if it's sent? Hop inside an Audi, then I did the dash. Shawty know I only care about the cash. Big guns, big sticks, big rash. She asked me how I got it, said I got it like that. I get it when I want it. Smoking marijuana, keep it hotter than the sun. Smoking till the sun up. They asked me if I have bands, I said bring your funds up. They texted me to a challenge and they didn't show up. Didn't show up, I'm knocking at your door, right? Taking meds till I pass out on the floor, right? If a nigga step up, I say good night. Written on the ground in chalk, all that off-white. Put you right up on a shirt. I'll be damned if I never put in work. You a broke ass bitch, your pockets. If we pull up now, it'll give me stop loss placement. I'm not stop loss, it'll give me stop to break even placement. If we pull up now, then I take the sales like this or so. This could be my stops to break even at the re-break of the low. But it's got to be an hourly pullback. Pullback on the hourly. Both running? Nah, they both definitely running. It's hard to watch, bro. Trust me, it's hard to watch. Knowing that I was in this trade, it's hard to watch that motherfucker move, and I'm not in it no more. No cap. That's where that discipline come in at, though, man. With that experience, that discipline come in with that experience. Knowing that I originally had sales up here, and watching it run to target for 1 to 2. That knowing that I got broken even on this trade, just for that bitch to just fucking melt, it's hard to fucking watch, bro. It's hard to watch, but for me, I'd rather stick to my plan to get broken even than don't stick to my plan and win a trade, bro. Because sticking to the plan is for the longevity of trading, bro. That's all. That's how I'm looking at it. But it's definitely hard to watch. FOMO could get a lot of new traders on re-entering. And the moment you re-enter, right over here, like, okay, yeah, we gonna continue down. That shit say, nope. Reverse right on your dumb ass. So being disciplined, I got broken even on my original position, and now it's running almost for 1 to 2. That's fine, bro. Just waiting for a different setup to play out. Entering over here would have been a FOMO trade as well, to be honest. It would have still been a valid trade within this range. The range field, the pre-range to the left hand side, but it still would have been a FOMO trade because my original position was up here. This would just be having FOMO because I got broken even.
I got a script from the doc, yeah. Got percent problem.
Tapping hourly support. I wouldn't consider this a support. Right? We don't have any real rejections right over here. Like this zone is support. Like you got support right over here. You got rejections right over here. You got rejections right over here. Right here. But at the same time, to me, I would like the level below it to be a more rejection area because it got broke. This got broken too many times. All right, this got broken right here with an aggressive candle to the downside. Then it got rebroke to the upside. Got broken over here to the upside. Right before getting broken to the downside. So it got broken too many times. That's why I have this one joined up instead. And this one, all of this is considered the rejection. To me. All of this right here is the rejection. Right? At this level. Then you have a rejection here. Then you got a fake out here, which is a higher time frame rejection. Looking more left, rejection here.
Watch sports with live TV like cable with YouTube
Bro, what just
TV.
said?
Try it free. Terms apply. Cancel anytime.
I just took a Benzo, but I just want to vibe with my friends though.
What just said, bro?
Don't put me
Over
up
here.
in no friend zone, but can we still fucking be friends though? Nah.
Oh, we got broken over here, but that was to create this higher low. This was the higher low right over here. Let's look more left. Got rejected over here. Another fake out because we never rebroke the highs. So, but all my yellow zones, I don't know how much you know about how I trade, whatever. But all my yellow zones is my minor levels. The blue ones are my major levels. So these are just areas where I think price could potentially reject it, not where the big impulses are, in my opinion. So the big impulse was like off of this major level right over here. We had a major level of support, big impulse to the upside after clearing these equal highs over here. Right, so we had a breakout over here. Price aggressively pushed up, never quite came back down for a nice pullback. I mean, for a nice retest, and then we had that retest over here to continue up. The trade was clean though, man. The trade was clean. Oh, I never documented the trade. Let me put it back up on screen. Got broken even right over here. Fuck, this shit makes me mad to watch, bro. Look at this. Look at this bitch.
Watch 100 plus channels and enjoy cable-free live TV with YouTube TV. Terms apply. Cancel anytime.
Oh, let's wait for something different.
Hey, yo, Trilly, punch me in. They see me in, I won never losing, but I was just prepping myself for the win. She brought a friend, beat her the pussy, then I go and cop and hop in the van. She love my music, but say it's confusing. I ran it up from the start to the end. You just a fan, why I'ma tell you the ins and outs, how I run it on bands. I need that bag today, so I ain't got time to be tripping or writing no love song. Writing no love song, we all experience not loss, yeah. Niggas be hating, so they got me cruising around with a stick. Cool as a bitch, you know I ain't never gonna lose again.
That's my name, little bro, nigga from down LA. About 6'1" with a low top fade. Niggas knew that you was gonna get to that cake. Hey, bitch, say my name. Too dope, cool nigga, ain't shit changed. Bad that bitch, shorty screaming my name. And the phone sped off with a brand new chain. Nah, nigga, none of these fine. When a nigga pop out the designer, ain't the boot cooking up any Honda. If the bitch wanna fuck, gotta find her. Say you want smoke, but he lying. If you wanted that, he would come find us. Niggas know we ain't doing no hiding. When we pushing out here, come the sirens. 33 bags with some brand new Vinci. I just put that bitch in a drop top. Up in the kitchen, ain't cooking no Winnie, but shawty said she want a hot box. I ate it once and I'm going in the GP, cause her ugly friend wanna clot. No, I can't fuck with that thought, nah. JB pop out with that glide. They see me in, I won over losing, but I was just prepping myself for the win. She brought a friend, beat her the pussy, then I go and cop and hop in the band. She love my music, but say it's confusing. I ran it up from the start to the end. But you just a fan, why I'ma tell you the ins and outs, how I ran it on bands. I need that bag today, so I ain't got time to be tripping or write no love song, yeah. Write no love song, we all experience love loss, yeah. Niggas be hating, so they got me cruising around.
I'm not taking this, I'm just sample sizing this.
No, I ain't never gonna lose again, I'm running this shit. She got some baggage she carrying, only keep for a week, I ain't marrying. If you shoot it at me, then I'm parrying. Hey, yo, nigga, you we keep carrying. Sipping on you for some weeks, tryna marry you. How the pussy ain't where you Aquarius. We go for a week, I get back, we can link. Say it likely to blow us precarious. AP, bust, drip, water when I step at the house. Big ball, put a dick in the mouth. TTG, my niggas hand shit out. She ain't my little secret. In the pussy, I'ma stretch a bitch out. If my phone, probably stressing her out. My baby niggas know we bout. She want the money, the power, the glory. She think I'm in love, but I'm fucking a friend. Don't have no friends, but I got some brothers that I know was rocking with me to the end. All of my partners into with each other, and none of them stressing about many bands. She got a man, but shawty a freaking and shit, so I don't give a fuck about a man. They see me in, I won over losing, but I was just prepping myself for the win. She brought a friend, beat her the pussy, then I go and cop and hop in the band. She love my music, but say it's confusing. I ran it up from the start to the end. You just a fan, why I'ma tell you the ins and outs, how I ran it on bands. I need that bag today, so I ain't got time to be tripping or write no love song, yeah. Write no love song, we all experience love loss, yeah. Niggas be hating, so they got me cruising around with a stick. Cool as a bitch, you know I ain't never gonna lose again. I'm running.
Who actually took the trade and held though? Anybody actually took that setup and held?
You're watching a toothbrush play Billie Eilish. But did you know there's a YouTube music app where you can listen to other rare covers of your favorite songs? And of course, the original. Duh. Get YouTube Music Premium.
Give me a bag, steady type of cash on my bro and that same shit. No, I don't fuck with no lame bitch. Can't even fuck on the same shit. I heard your shit in the swag. That shit is so sad, put in work at that basement. I charge you double that payment. Lil' boy, I'm not one you could play with. I grew up in Brooklyn, live right, I keep looking. If the ops come, then we get to bucking. So sad, that my youngest stay shook. Get a bag, we don't play with a book. Made a slab, now they all wanna hug. If you ask, yeah, I do the dash, yeah. Got money bags, yeah. For the ones that they took, I know that I'm good, yeah. Straight face and I look. They say that budget is in my outlook, yeah. Hot mail, we gon' post bail when that ship sail, oh yeah. I pop tax, that's my swag, don't get mad, go there. They wanna know how we came up out that basement, we was damn stuck. I was down bad on my ass, I had no job, I was fucked up, yeah. Now I get to sit back and laugh while you haters are mad and you counting your pay stubs. I do this all on my own, right after wake up, I go get my cake up. I gotta get me a bag, steady type of cash on my bro and that same shit. No, I don't fuck with no lame bitch, can't even fuck on the same shit. I heard your shit in the swag, that shit is so sad, put in work at that basement. I charge you double that payment, lil' boy, I'm not one you could play with. Watch out, everyone come for that ride out, yeah. Say watch out, we came with that dog pound, yeah. Say watch out, everyone come for that ride out, yeah. Say watch out, we came with that dog pound, yeah. I gotta get me a bag, steady type of cash on my bro and that same shit. No, I don't fuck with no lame bitch, can't even fuck on the same shit. I heard your shit in the swag, that shit is so sad, put in work at that basement. I charge you double that payment, lil' boy, I'm not one you could play with.
Watch 100 plus channels and enjoy cable-free live TV with YouTube TV. Terms apply. Cancel anytime.
G's, no design on my jacket. Work hard, now I'm changing my bracket. Talk tough, we ain't hear that racket. Dogs came in, you know how to stack it. Take it wrong, but I'ma need my ends though. I got tigers on my chest like Kenzo. Rail came, yeah, he putting that Benz though. Carol's here, man, you know he stay 10 toes. Bitch dog, man, you know I ain't worried. Bent up, so I'm talking real slurry. Got a blast, bro, I'm always in a hurry. Big Drake, shooting 30 like Curry. Take a yerky, ain't know he stay passed up. You don't catch him late night, do you ass out? No, Unc real, how to put an E-class up. They like, X nigga, how you take the fast ride? 2018, it was me and Big Corey. Flowing through the city, had a cool true story. Niggas rats, they be singing like Tory. They was real, but them niggas not for me. Wanna see me shine, try to steal my glory. Nigga going crazy, it's hard to ignore me. Bitch bad, but she starting to bore me. Got 100 more, they waiting for me. I can down them with the barrier sweater. Off-white kicks, I don't match it, I'm clever. Fuck a price, I get it, whatever. Say you had twins, nigga, send them whichever. Catch a vibe, I'm wavy as ever. Spend a bag, no saving my cheddar. Saucy nigga, Mr. Rex and Margiela. Give a fuck by the nigga I never had. Should I give a fuck by the nigga I never? Saucy nigga, Mr. Rex and Margiela. Spend a bag, no saving no cheddar. G's, no design on my jacket. Work hard, now I'm changing my bracket. Talk tough, we ain't hear that racket. Dogs came in, you know how to stack it. Take it wrong, but I'ma need my ends though. I got tigers on my chest like Kenzo. Rail came, yeah, he putting that Benz though. Carol's here, man, you know he stay 10 toes. Big dog, man, you know I ain't worried. Bent up, so I'm talking real slurry. Got a blast, bro, I'm always in a hurry. Big Drake, shooting 30 like Curry. Take a yerky, ain't know he stay passed up. You don't catch him late night, do you ass out? No, Unc real, how to put an E-class up. They like, X nigga, how you take the fast ride? Summer's coming, know the block is hot. Give a fuck if it's dark or not. They shooting niggas over parking spots. Ain't pressed about it, we'll connect the dots. To the break it down, we don't talk the cops. Give a fuck about if he was wrong or not. These niggas fake, these niggas talk a lot. So I gotta stay low, gotta get the guap. They pop shit, these niggas corny, they kettle. Break them down, no you know I can't settle. Family matters, wavy heavy like metal. All guys got my foot on the pedal. Number 9 G's, red fours cause they stack nice. iPhone crack through the front, see the back light. Might get it fixed if the bitch just act right. Big bro in the cut, sippin' on act like. iPhone crack through the front, see the back light. Might get it fixed if the bitch just act right. Big bro in the cut, sippin' on act right. Big G's, no design on my jacket. Work hard, now I'm changing my bracket. Talk tough, we ain't hear that racket. Dogs came in, you know how to stack it. Take it wrong, but I'ma need my ends though. I got tigers on my chest like Kenzo. Rail came,
Yeah, my US30 play. My S&P 500 trade playing out too. So below this low, before 30-minute closure. 30-minute closure right here. Respect lows. Respect highs, break lows. Entry right over here. Stop loss just above the confirmation candle. This is the ideal way now for S&P 500. So this trade's playing out too. Damn, all my setups hitting today.
Watch 100 plus channels and enjoy cable-free live TV with YouTube TV. Terms apply. Cancel anytime.
Clean traffic to the left-hand side, right over here.
Took you to the brain. She said, don't wanna be with you, let's say my name. I just give another excuse, yeah, she don't wanna say. I just said the 4 little words on so she play my game. And she said that she love me, but she wants someone new. Want 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 someone new. Yeah, I told her I just need some time. She told me she's just trying to be right. Told her you do not care about mine. Thinking that we gon' be end of time. I told her I just believe the lies. Maybe it's cliche, but I'm fine. Maybe you should check on me tonight. Cause I took you to the brain. She said don't wanna be with you, let's say my name. I just give another excuse, yeah, she don't wanna say. I just said the 4 little words on so she play my game. And she said that she love me, but she wants someone new. Want someone new. Want someone new. Want someone new. anyone but you. I thought that we're getting closer. Guess it was wrong. I don't know what to do. She's saying, although mama wish I could just say we won, that I would be one goodbye, 'cause I can't take it no lie. Wishing that I wasn't around to run away. If it was me, you'd probably stay away. Yeah, she probably thinking about me when it's late. Yeah, but probably not, I'm just too told with me. Yeah, I know that it's my fault, but told her I don't wanna see. Yeah, I just realized she don't love me too late. Took two to the brain. She said don't wanna be with you, let's say my name. I just give another excuse, yeah, she don't wanna say. I just said the four little words on so she play my game. Yeah, she said that she love me, but she wants someone new. Want 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 someone new. Yeah.
Looks like you're on YouTube watching a musician that can do it all. But did you know there's a YouTube music app that does it all with ad-free listening and song downloads and background play and a whole lot more? That's a lot. Get YouTube Music Premium.
Baby girl, I know you wanna hit it all now.
I'ma play boy like Sinatra.
See the evil eye, we tell me pull up. Talking about the fakes, but that's not us. You know you can call me
Dundada.
Baby, we gon' pull up to the opera.
I think I'm gonna wrap it up here, man. I don't want to take another trade. And the other trade I now take will be with emotions because I got broken even. So it's not smart to stay on the charts knowing that I'm dealing with my being maxed. I just got fucking broken even with a banger trade. Low key, I'm salty, bro.
So I'm popping off. Now I'm hearing talks about falling off. I could never. All these people that been dropping off, I could never. All that talking just to top it off, I could never. Got a bag, homie.
This was the trade of the session, bro. This was indeed the trade of the session.
Get the fuck up on my way, homie. Baby girl, I know you wanna hit it all now. I'm a playboy like Sinatra. See the evil eye every time we pull up. Talking about the fakes, but that's not us. You know you can call me Dundada. Baby, we gon' pull up to the opera. Baby girl, I know you wanna hit it all now. I'm a playboy like Sinatra. Ain't nobody pop up.
I'm gonna hop off the chart so I don't FOMO in, man. I'm gonna wrap it up here, bro. It's your boy Traderholics, and I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow during Monday. So far this week, we are up 4% though. So it's not even a bad week. I can't even complain because I got broken even, bro. I'm already up 4%. I'm up 1 week. I'm good, bro. No need to me to take a FOMO in and potentially lose that setup. So yeah, with that being said, man, it's your boy Traderholics, and I'm out this bitch. Peace, bro. All y'all have a blessed night and stay disciplined to your trading strategy. Stay patient because we all know at the end of the day, patience protect profits, bro. And y'all have a blessed night, man.
Baby girl, I know you wanna hit it all now. I'm a playboy like Sinatra. See the evil eye every time we pull up. Talking about the fakes, but that's not us. You know you can call me Dundada. Baby, we gon' pull up to the opera. Baby girl, I know you wanna hit it all now. I'm a playboy like Sinatra. sipping on that walk and it's heavy now. Hey, running on my guap and it's steady now. Hey, I didn't want that top and it's been a while. Hey, trying all these pills, how I'm living now. Hey, sipping on that walk and it's heavy now. Hey, running on my guap and it's steady now. Hey, I didn't want that top and it's been a while. Hey, trying all these pills, how I'm living now. Hey, sipping on that walk and it's heavy now. Hey, running on my guap and it's steady now. Hey, I didn't want that top and it's been a while. Hey, trying all these pills, how I'm living now. Yeah, I didn't want that cake. She didn't want my money when I pull up in the rave. Hop on my way, but where am I going? Get into the cake, yeah, you know I'ma blow it. Yeah, you know I got a problem, but I just want a cake. Money on me, yeah, you know I won't change. Too many thoughts when I pull up in the range. Too many thoughts when I pull up in the range. Yeah, I didn't want a cake. She didn't want my money when I pull up in the range. Hop on my way, where am I going? Get into the cake, yeah, you know I'ma blow it. Hey, sipping on that walk and it's heavy now. Running on my guap and it's steady now. I didn't want that top and it's been a while. Trying all these pills, how I'm living now. Hey, sipping on that walk and it's heavy now. Hey, running on my guap and it's steady now. Hey, I didn't want that top and it's been a while. Hey, trying all these pills, how I'm living now. Hey, sipping on that walk and it's heavy now. Hey, running on my guap and it's steady now. Hey, I didn't want that top and it's been a while. Hey, trying all these pills, how I'm living now. Hey, pop a little molly, hope I don't die. Why she always lying? Yeah, I see it in her eyes. Pull up in the coupe, now she gon' ride. Pull up in the coupe, now she gon' ride. Now I'm feeling alright. I'm speeding through the night. Hey, I'ma curl my whip, and I hope it don't die. I didn't want that cake. She didn't wanna fuck me when I pull up in the rape. Hop on my way, but where am I going? Get into the cake, yeah, you know I'ma blow it. Hey, sipping on that walk and it's heavy now. Hey, running on my guap and it's steady now. Hey, I didn't want that top and it's been a while. Hey, trying all these pills, how I'm living now. Hey, sipping on that walk and it's heavy now. Hey, running on my guap and it's steady now. Hey, I didn't want that top and it's been a while. Hey, trying all these pills, how I'm living now. Hey, sipping on that walk and it's heavy now. Hey, running on my guap and it's steady now. Hey, I didn't want that top and it's been a while. Hey, trying all these pills, how I'm living now.
Never been a hating type, baby love me on sight. And yes, you know I can't stay tonight, but I put Henny on ice. And yeah, we really getting faded, right? Yeah, girl, I'm trying to feel nice. And all this music, I'm taking flight, yeah, everything feel right. I ain't really into popping off, cause begging ain't my type. Finna put a Benz in my parking lot, and my brothers shoot, they don't fight. So we don't really sit and just talk a lot, don't think I had an off night. She see me slide in that parking lot, I think she like the off-white. And no, I really don't say a lot, they heard and know what I did. Can't wait until a nigga drop the top, I'm thinking about how I live. And I can make your name popular, but I ain't giving out drips. And yeah, I'm focused on popping off, you know I'm just trying to win. If I keep on going retarded, I'll put on for where I started, cause I know they all wanna see me ballin'. I gotta work hard, ain't no bargains, think that I'm wild and I really been jogging. Man, I need somebody say to bargain, she do it all so she know that I'm all in. So she know that I'm all in. Push that cash so fast, I just can't move in when it got bad. You can't steal my fashion, you wouldn't know what I did for this bag. I ring it up now, I'm laughing, it ain't a question to chase this cash. This next shit bound to happen, cause I know I'm about to be in my bag. Up in my bag, yeah. Chasing a bag, yeah. I got a call on my bad habits. Boy, you sauce with the fashion, it put together like some mathematics. And I keep it moving, the girl, what you doing? And you said you bad at it. They know I ain't losing, cause I keep it moving and I got a bag out it. Hop in a foreign, I'm taking a flight. Said I ain't never been a hater.